Friend. A person you like and trust. Acquaintance. A person you know a little. Best friend. Your closest friend. Colleague. A person you work with. Close friend. A friend you know very well. Coworker. A person who works at the same place. Teammate. A person on the same team. Boyfriend. A boy or man someone is dating. Partner. A person you work or live with. Girlfriend. A girl or woman someone is dating. Spouse. A husband or wife. Ex. A former partner. Family. People related to each other. Relative. A person in your family. Parent. A mother or father. Cousin. A child of your aunt or uncle. Sibling. A brother or sister. Mentor. A person who guides and teaches you. Mentee. A person guided by a mentor. Neighbor. A person who lives nearby. Roommate. A person you live with. Classmate. A person in your class. Peer. A person like you in age or level. Stranger. A person you do not know. Client. A person who uses a service. Customer. A person who buys something. Boss. A person in charge at work. Manager. A person who leads workers. Subordinate. A worker under a boss. Leader. A person who guides a group. Follower. A person who follows a leader. Supporter. A person who helps or cheers for someone. Rival. A person you compete against. Competitor. A person in a contest or game. Ally. A person who helps your side. Companion. A person who goes with you. Confidant. A person you trust with secrets. Soulmate. A person deeply connected to you. Acquaintance from work. A person you know at work. Mutual friend. A friend shared by two people. Meet. To see someone for the first time. Get to know. To learn more about someone. Introduce. To tell people each other's names. Connect. To bring people together. Bond. A close feeling between people. Click. To quickly feel friendly together. Hit it off. To like each other right away. Get along. To have a friendly relationship. Make friends. To become friends with people. Build trust. To help people trust you. Earn respect. To make people respect you. Open up. To share your true thoughts or feelings. Share. To let someone use or know something. Communicate. To share ideas or feelings. Talk. To say words to someone. Listen. To hear and pay attention. Understand. To know what someone means. Support. To help someone feel strong. Encourage. To give someone hope or courage. Help. To make something easier for someone. Cooperate. To work together to do something. Collaborate. To work together on a project. Engage. To join in and take part. Interact. To communicate or do things together. Spend time. To be with someone for a while. Hang out. To spend relaxed time together. Catch up. To talk about recent news. Check in. To ask how someone is doing. Reach out. To contact someone. Stay in touch. To keep communicating. Keep in contact. To continue communicating. Reconnect. To connect again after time apart. Deepen a relationship. To make a relationship closer. Strengthen ties. To make connections stronger. Build rapport. To create a friendly connection. Break the ice. To make people feel comfortable. Make small talk. To have light, friendly conversation. Show interest. To let someone know you care. Be friendly. To act warm and nice. Be approachable. To seem easy to talk to. Be kind. To care and do good things. Be polite. To use good manners. Be respectful. To treat others well. Be honest. To tell the truth. Be sincere. To truly mean what you say. Be supportive. To help and encourage someone. Be reliable. To be someone others can count on. Be trustworthy. To be someone others can trust. Show appreciation. To show you value someone. Express gratitude. To say or show thanks. Trust. A feeling that someone is honest and safe. Respect. A good feeling for someone's value. Care. Kind attention and concern. Love. A strong feeling of deep affection. Affection. A warm and gentle feeling of liking. Intimacy. A close and private connection. Loyalty. Strong support for someone. Commitment. A promise to stay involved. Understanding. Knowing someone's feelings or meaning. Empathy. Feeling what someone else feels. Compassion. Kind care for someone's pain. Appreciation. A thankful feeling for someone. Admiration. A warm feeling of respect or liking. Gratitude. A thankful feeling. Encouragement. Words or actions that give hope. Reassurance. Words that help someone feel less worried. Comfort. Help that makes someone feel better. Kindness. Caring and helpful behavior. Generosity. A willingness to give or share. Patience. The ability to wait calmly. Honesty. Telling the truth. Openness. Being willing to share and listen. Acceptance. Welcoming someone as they are. Forgiveness. Letting go of anger after hurt. Tolerance. Accepting differences calmly. Harmony. Peaceful and friendly agreement. Closeness. A strong feeling of being near. Connection. A link or bond between people. Mutual respect. Respect shared by both people. Emotional support. Help with feelings and worries. Have someone's back. To support and protect someone. Be there for someone. To help someone when needed. Look out for someone. To watch over and protect someone. Stand by someone. To stay loyal and supportive. Stick together. To stay close and support each other. Get along well. To have a good friendly relationship. Be on good terms. To have a friendly relationship. See eye to eye. To agree with someone. Trust each other. To believe in each other. Support each other. To help each other. Respect boundaries. To accept someone's limits. Value differences. To appreciate how people are different. Share feelings. To tell someone your emotions. Feel comfortable. To feel relaxed and at ease. Feel safe. To feel protected and not afraid. Feel understood. To feel someone knows what you mean. Feel accepted. To feel welcome as you are. Feel connected. To feel close to someone. Feel appreciated. To feel someone values you. Feel respected. To feel someone treats you well. Argue. To disagree with angry words. Fight. To argue or hurt each other. Disagree. To have different opinions. Clash. To strongly disagree or not fit well. Conflict. A serious disagreement or problem. Tension. An uncomfortable feeling between people. Misunderstanding. A wrong idea about what someone means. Miscommunication. A failure to share information clearly. Criticize. To say what is wrong with someone or something. Judge. To form an opinion about someone. Blame. To say someone caused a problem. Complain. To say you are unhappy about something. Nag. To keep asking or criticizing again and again. Insult. To say something rude or hurtful. Offend. To make someone feel upset or hurt. Hurt. To cause pain or sadness. Betray. To break someone's trust. Lie. To say something that is not true. Cheat. To act unfairly to win or gain. Manipulate. To control someone unfairly. Control. To make someone do what you want. Ignore. To not pay attention to someone. Avoid. To stay away from someone or something. Exclude. To leave someone out. Reject. To say no to someone or something. Abandon. To leave someone behind. Gossip. To talk about others' private lives. Spread rumors. To share stories that may not be true. Backstab. To secretly hurt or betray someone. Talk behind someone's back. To say things about someone when they are not there. Give someone the cold shoulder. To ignore someone on purpose. Fall out. To stop being friendly after a problem. Break up. To end a romantic relationship. Drift apart. To slowly become less close. Cut someone off. To stop contact with someone. Hold a grudge. To stay angry after being hurt. Lose trust. To stop believing someone is safe or honest. Break trust. To do something that makes trust disappear. Cross the line. To do something unacceptable. Push someone away. To make someone feel unwanted. Take advantage of. To use someone unfairly. Use someone. To get help without caring about them. Disrespect. To treat someone badly. Be rude. To act without good manners. Be selfish. To care only about yourself. Be insensitive. To not notice or care about feelings. Be inconsiderate. To not think about others' feelings. Be dishonest. To not tell the truth. Be unreliable. To not be someone others can count on. Be distant. To seem far away or not close. Be cold. To act unfriendly or uncaring. Be defensive. To quickly protect yourself from blame. Be passive-aggressive. To show anger indirectly. Be controlling. To try to control others' choices. Be toxic. To be harmful in a relationship. Toxic relationship. A relationship that harms people. Emotional abuse. Hurtful behavior that damages feelings. Manipulation tactics. Unfair ways to control someone. Gaslight someone. To make someone doubt what is true. Create drama. To cause unnecessary problems or conflict. Communicate clearly. To share ideas in an easy-to-understand way. Express yourself. To say or show your thoughts and feelings. Speak up. To say what you think or need. Listen actively. To listen carefully and show you understand. Pay attention. To watch or listen carefully. Show empathy. To care about someone's feelings. Read the room. To notice how people feel around you. Understand body language. To know feelings from gestures or posture. Maintain eye contact. To look at someone while talking. Respond appropriately. To answer in a suitable way. Give feedback. To tell someone how they can improve. Receive feedback. To listen to advice about your work. Ask questions. To ask for information. Clarify. To make something clear. Explain. To make something easy to understand. Persuade. To try to make someone agree. Negotiate. To discuss and reach an agreement. Compromise. To agree by giving up a little. Resolve conflict. To solve a disagreement or problem. Handle disagreement. To deal with different opinions calmly. Set boundaries. To tell others your limits. Respect boundaries. To accept someone's limits. Assert yourself. To say your needs clearly. Be assertive. To speak clearly and confidently. Be passive. To not speak up for yourself. Be aggressive. To act in a forceful or angry way. Be diplomatic. To handle people carefully and politely. Be tactful. To say things kindly and carefully. Be honest but kind. To tell the truth gently. Be straightforward. To say things clearly and directly. Avoid conflict. To stay away from arguments or problems. Manage emotions. To control your feelings in a healthy way. Stay calm. To remain peaceful and not upset. Keep your cool. To stay calm under pressure. Control your temper. To stop yourself from getting too angry. Think before speaking. To pause before saying something. Choose your words. To pick words carefully. Tone of voice. The way your voice sounds. Nonverbal cues. Body signs that show feelings. Social awareness. Noticing how others feel or act. Emotional intelligence. The ability to understand and manage feelings. Interpersonal skills. Skills for getting along with people. People skills. The ability to communicate well with others. Networking. Meeting people to build useful connections. Make connections. To meet and link with people. Build relationships. To create strong connections with people. Maintain relationships. To keep relationships strong over time. Repair relationships. To fix a damaged relationship. Rebuild trust. To make trust grow again. Resolve misunderstandings. To clear up wrong ideas. Socialize. To spend time talking with people. Mingle. To move around and talk with people. Network. To meet people and build connections. Attend events. To go to planned social activities. Join a group. To become part of a group. Be part of a community. To belong to a group of people. Make an impression. To affect how others see you. Fit in. To feel accepted by a group. Belong. To feel accepted in a group. Stand out. To be noticed as different or special. Be included. To be invited or allowed to join. Feel included. To feel welcome in a group. Feel left out. To feel not included by others. Feel awkward. To feel uncomfortable or unsure. Break the silence. To start talking after quietness. Start a conversation. To begin talking with someone. Keep a conversation going. To continue talking smoothly. Change the subject. To talk about a different topic. End a conversation. To stop talking politely. Excuse yourself. To politely leave or step away. Make plans. To decide what to do together. Cancel plans. To stop planned activities. Reschedule. To choose a new time. Invite someone. To ask someone to join. Accept an invitation. To say yes to an invitation. Decline politely. To say no in a kind way. Show up. To arrive or come as planned. Be late. To arrive after the expected time. Apologize. To say sorry. Forgive. To stop feeling angry after being hurt. Thank someone. To say thanks to someone. Compliment someone. To say something nice about someone. Give praise. To say someone did well. Show respect. To treat someone as valuable. Show appreciation. To show you value someone. Make a good impression. To make others think well of you. Leave a bad impression. To make others think poorly of you. Be remembered. To stay in someone's mind. Be ignored. To have others not notice or answer you. Be noticed. To have others see or pay attention to you. Get attention. To make people notice you. Seek approval. To want others to say you are doing well. Gain respect. To make others respect you. Lose respect. To make others stop respecting you. Build a reputation. To become known for something. Damage a reputation. To make others think worse of you. Maintain a friendship. To keep a friendship strong. Grow apart. To slowly become less close. Stay close. To keep a strong relationship. Reconnect with someone. To contact someone again after time apart.